Hey, what's this? You go in for that shit.
This is the best way the uniform. As a sponsor, I just hate you.
What?
What's up?
My what?
What's up?
God have mercy upon us.
Thank you.
Close my door, please. Ebele! 20 minutes calls. Why are you calling my phone like that now? What's wrong with you?
Your food is ready. Go and carry your food.
Oh, my food is ready. I should go. Okay, it's now on phone. You used to call me to go and carry my food now, Abi. Ebele! Mommy! I'll seize that your phone. You will see. Mommy!
What is it?
This phone you bought for Ebele. I'll break this phone. I'm upstairs and she's calling me on the phone. She's downstairs. She's calling me that she come and carry my food downstairs.
Calm down.
Man, I'll break that phone. Why people will be buying phone for Ebele? It's not to bring lesson teacher. Ebele will be carrying 16th in her class. Every time she's carrying 16th. Man, I'll break that phone. Mommy. Who is calling me? Ebele, why is this girl calling me?
Hello, brother Divine. There's lights. There's light to it. Nice, I should tell you. Can I sit? There's lights. Yeah, bye-bye.
If I see me, I'm to buy me.
Brother Divine, please, I'm confused. Which one is fried rice? Is it the yellow one or the red one? I don't even... Brother Divine, I didn't say you should text her. Brother Divine, please, this is to put in Maggi soup. Me, I'm hungry. I just need it. Brother Divine, I'm looking for my mouth too. I kept the mouth inside fridge. Now it's no more day again. Brother Divine, only brother in the world. Come and buy your lovely sister data, eh? Just come and buy me data. Thank you. God bless you, amen.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Is this girl mad? Ebele!